When it's windy, it's better to fly low. Lower is always better when it's very breezy, because the higher up you go, the stronger the winds will be. Hello my friends, welcome back to another unboxing, show and tell test video. Today we are taking a look at the HT50 drone, HD camera, GPS return, brushless motor, circle flight. Let's go ahead and unbox this and show you everything you get. I love that it comes in this carrying pouch. You have your nice little manual in here as well. This is really cool. Okay, let's take everything out and show you everything you get. This is the battery indicator level right on here. We're going to charge this while we wait, and it just charges with a USB cable. We're going to go ahead and connect right in here like this. Let's take a look at the remote controller. Here it shows you all your different settings. Nice responsive thumbs. Place your cell phone in here. What's really nice is this is rechargeable, so you don't have to use batteries like AA or AAA batteries. That is very important, in my opinion. So you would lift that up. If you want to use your cell phone, you would place your cell phone in here. Press the turn on the remote. Let's take a look. You get some accessories, screwdriver, fan blades. Now let's take a look at the drone itself. This is the drone. Just pull out the the wings. TF card slot. It can handle up to a 256 gigabyte. Your camera is inside here, so a little protective lens. Make sure you remove that or it's not going to be clear. On the bottom there as well. Alright, what do you say we get flying this? To turn this on, you would press the power button, and you can press it to turn it off. You press it once and then you press and hold. So it is very windy, so I am curious to see how well it's going to perform. So we're going to try and be a little careful here. Seems to be holding pretty good with the wind. Does seem to be a pretty steady drone. That's actually really nice. Even though it is breezy. As you can see, we are just letting it sit there, and it's controlling it pretty well. So that's impressive. So even with the really strong wind, it's holding its own. All right, we're gonna land. I want to check out some settings. When it's windy, it's better to fly low. Lower is always better when it's very breezy, because the higher up you go, the stronger the winds will be. So we're just flying it low for right now, just due to the wind. But as you can see, we are handling it pretty well, considering. Oh, I got a little greedy there, getting too close. I mean, I don't think I've ever flown a drone with it being this windy. It's very windy. You probably can see with the trees. But it's still fun, especially because you can fly low, which flying low is a lot of fun in my opinion, because it really helps hone your skills. So flying low means you got to judge the ground level, so you need to have good clearance, which definitely helps you when you learn how to fly drones. But yeah, I'm pretty impressed, especially with it being windy. Look at that, we got a robot lawnmower and we got our drone. They're just best buds. I would love to go higher, guys, but I don't trust it. It's definitely not worth losing a drone. But yeah, it's pretty fun. I mean, it is handling that wind very well. Like, the fact that it can even fly, that it's operable with it being so strong wind, is pretty impressive. Very, very impressed. All right, we are going to land and call it a day before we lose it. But yeah, this drone is a lot of fun. I think it was a little annoying to pair it. That's gonna be the most frustrating part. So right out of the box, you have to follow your manual and pair it correctly. Once you do that, it's a lot of fun. Oh my. Okay, we're done here. That wind is brutal.